Good evening. I am Arita Rains, and I am recording this video for APS 933, which is Foundations of Research. This is video one, and I'm covering ways that we can organize our research articles. When I read the topic, to be honest, I was kind of like, oh my goodness, 50 to 100 articles. How am I going to organize 50 to 100 articles in a way that I'll be able to get to the information um, quickly and efficiently? So, some of the things that I've done in the past is that I basically just print out all my articles in PDF format. But I realized that with 50 to 100 articles, that would be an extreme amount of paper that I would be using. So I am going to print out articles, but I believe that once I look through the articles, I'll print out the most important articles because I actually like to go through and highlight and so forth. Um, I am not very technically savvy, but I know how to survive and get the job done. So I think I will save my articles as PDFs based on the broad topic. And as I read through the articles and the number of articles increase, one of the things that I'll do is go back and revamp it. Create some type of subfolder like they suggested earlier. And within that subfolder, I can shift and move articles according to what topics are more precise. And I'll be able to see how to maneuver and gather the information in a way that will be efficient for me. I think there's no set way to do it, but there needs to be a way individually for an individual to see what will work for them, or it can be overwhelming, and I can see where some people would get extremely frustrated with organizing their articles. Um, I think that like I said, the most important ones will be printed out. I think that you need to really look at the date because I found some stuff, but it was really outdated. And I saw where in the search engine I hadn't changed the date, so it literally was back at 1800 to 2021. So I really feel that constant movement, reorganization, the ones that you know have the information that is definitely something you know you will utilize in a larger manner, I would definitely print those out. Um, I'm a hands-on type of person, so I like to highlight, write notes in the sub margins, and just create a way of doing this that would work for me. Um, I am looking at what other people are suggesting, and even though I may have come up with my way of doing it, I think that I will take into consideration what's working for other people and work smarter instead of harder. Thanks so much for listening. I look forward to this class this semester.